Welcome to Money, my friend. Today, we're uncovering the secrets to becoming a millionaire even on a low salary. It may seem like a distant dream, but it's closer than you think. With a dash of discipline, a sprinkle of smart financial decisions, and a healthy serving of dedication, that seven-figure bank balance isn't as elusive as it seems. It's not just about earning more, but making your money work harder for you. Ready to embark on your journey to financial freedom? Let's dive in. First things first, you need to shift your mindset. Now, what does that mean? It's all about adopting a money mindset. That's right, becoming a millionaire isn't about raking in a six-figure salary. In fact, it's more about how you manage what you earn, no matter how much that may be. Think about it. It's not the high earners who are necessarily wealthy. It's the people who know how to budget, save, and invest wisely. It's about taking control of your finances, making informed decisions, and understanding the power of compound interest. It's about living within your means and putting your money to work for you. It's about being consistent, disciplined, and patient. It's about making your money grow over time. So, let's change the narrative. Let's redefine what it means to be wealthy. Remember, wealth is not about earning more, but saving and investing more. Once your mindset is in the right place, it's time to look at your budget. You see, budgeting isn't as daunting as it sounds. It's simply a plan for your money, a roadmap that guides your financial decisions. It's about understanding where your money comes from and where it goes. Living below your means is a crucial principle of budgeting. It's not about depriving yourself of every luxury or pleasure, but about making thoughtful decisions about your spending. It's about choosing to spend on what truly matters to you and cutting back on what doesn't. For instance, let's take a look at your daily coffee shop visits. Sure, a steaming latte might feel like a necessary morning ritual, but those couple of dollars a day quickly add up over a month, a year. Now imagine investing that money instead. Creating a budget isn't a one-time event. It's a dynamic process that should evolve with your life and your goals. It should include not just your expenses, but also your savings and investments. Think of your income as a pie. A portion of it goes to your necessary expenses, rent, utilities, groceries, but another slice, however small, should go towards your savings, and another towards your investments. Your savings are your safety net, your buffer against unexpected expenses. Your investments, on the other hand, are your ticket to wealth. Remember, it's not about how much you earn, but how much you keep and grow. It doesn't matter if you can only save a small amount each month. What matters is that you do it consistently and that you put your money to work. To cut expenses, you might need to get creative. Maybe you start packing your lunch instead of eating out, or perhaps you swap your gym membership for home workouts. The key is to find what works for you, what aligns with your values and your lifestyle. With a solid budget in place, you're on your way to building your wealth. You're not just dreaming of becoming a millionaire, you're taking active steps to make it a reality. And that, my friend, is how you truly make your money work for you. Now that you are saving money, let's talk about what to do with it. The money that sits idle in your account may feel safe, but it's not going to grow much there. To truly build your wealth, you need to put your money to work. This is where saving transitions into investing. You see, the primary difference between the rich and the not-so-rich is that the rich invest a large portion of their income. Let's delve into the magic of compound interest, often referred to as the eighth wonder of the world. Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill. As it rolls, it gathers more snow, growing larger and faster. Compound interest works the same way. The money you invest earns interest, and then that interest earns interest, and so on. Over time, even a small investment can grow into a mountain of wealth. Now let's talk about the stock market. It might sound intimidating, but it's one of the best tools for building wealth. The stock market lets you buy a piece of a company. As the company grows, so does your investment. Over the past century, the average stock market return is about 7% annually after adjusting for inflation. That means if you invested $1,000 and left it alone, you'd have nearly $2,000 in 10 years without lifting a finger. But here's a word of caution. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. This is called diversification. By spreading your investments across different types of assets, you reduce the risk of losing all your money if one investment performs poorly. Lastly, remember that investing is a long-term strategy. The market will have its ups and downs, but over the long haul, it tends to move upwards. Don't be swayed by short-term fluctuations. And there you have it. The power of savings and investments, the magic of compound interest, the potential of the stock market. the safety of diversification, and the patience for long-term strategies. Remember, the key to wealth is not just saving, but also investing. Becoming a millionaire won't happen overnight. It requires patience and persistence. Just as a seed doesn't sprout into a tree in a day, the journey to accumulating wealth is a gradual process. It's a journey that demands consistent effort, unwavering commitment, and above all, patience. This marathon is not for the faint-hearted. Rather, it's for those with grit, those who understand that Rome wasn't built in a day. Accumulating wealth is like building a skyscraper. Each brick, each floor, represents your savings and investments. Over time, these small, consistent efforts are what build the towering structure of your wealth. The key here is consistency. Saving and investing might seem like small steps in the moment, but the compounded effect of these steps, over many years, is what leads to significant wealth. It's crucial to stay committed to your financial goals, even when progress seems slow. There will be times when the journey seems long and arduous, when the end seems nowhere in sight. But remember, every millionaire started with their first dollar. It's not about how fast you can run, it's about how long you can keep running. So don't be disheartened if you don't see immediate results. Keep saving, keep investing, and most importantly, keep believing in your financial goals. Remember, the journey to $1 million is a marathon, not a sprint. So there you have it, your guide to becoming a millionaire on a low salary. We've explored the power of shifting your mindset, understanding that wealth doesn't come from what you earn, but what you keep. We've delved into the basics of budgeting and how it's the cornerstone of financial mastery, allowing you to control your money rather than letting it control you. We've discussed the importance of saving and investing, showing you how even small amounts can compound over time to create substantial wealth. And we've underscored the critical role of patience and persistence. Remember, real wealth isn't built overnight. It's a journey, a marathon rather than a sprint. Implement these steps one by one, starting today. Don't wait for the perfect moment, because the perfect moment is now. Start your journey to financial freedom today. Remember, the road to $1 million starts with a single penny.